Think of your computer, the internet, and all the programs you use as a house with different rooms, appliances, and systems that need to work together. To keep everything in order, you need someone to manage the plumbing, electrical, wiring, security systems, and appliances to ensure everything works smoothly. That's what cloud network and system support professionals do. They make sure all the systems, which are the computers, networks, and software, in the house, which is the organization, function properly. Cloud is like renting a house where instead of owning all the furniture, like the data and the software, you use what you need, and it's available to you anywhere, anytime. So instead of filling up your files and software on the computer, which is your home, you store them in a remote space, the cloud. Cloud support makes sure your data is accessible, secure, and backed up in this remote space. Think of it like making sure you can always unlock your cloud house door from any devices you have with you, be it a laptop, tablet, or phone. Networking is like the road system of your house and neighborhood, where information, like cars, needs to travel from one place to another. Network system is about building and maintaining these network infrastructures, ensuring data can flow smoothly between computers, servers, and other devices in your workplace. It also involves making sure that traffic signs, which are like security rules, are in place to avoid accidents like hacking or unauthorized access. Support system is like being the handyman who makes sure that everything in your house, which is the computer system, is functioning properly, from operating systems like Windows all the way to the hardware. They fix issues, upgrade, and ensure all the tools and systems like emails, printers, and software are working properly. In today's world, most businesses rely on technology, computers, software, and data to operate. These systems need to be managed, protected, and supported to ensure smooth operations and secure environments. If these systems break down or face issues, it can stop the entire business from functioning. Imagine a company with all its computers and software stopped working. Everything is going to come to a halt. That is where cloud network and system support professionals step in to make sure that doesn't happen. Cloud network and system support skills are essential for managing the technology that powers modern businesses. With everything becoming more digital, businesses rely heavily on secure networks, reliable systems, and cloud storage. These professionals ensure that everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. By mastering the basics of these fields, candidates will have the ability to support and solve problems in different IT systems, secure the company's data, and help businesses run efficiently and securely. This makes cloud network and system support professionals indispensable for any company. The demand for IT support roles continues to surge, with an impressive projected growth rate of 17.4% over the next 5 years. Entry-level positions like Level 1 IT Support Technician or IT Support Analyst, for example, are in very high demand, often requiring minimal prior experience. These positions serve as gateways into the expansive and ever-evolving IT landscape. For those starting in the field, salaries are quite competitive, typically ranging from $65,000 to $73,000 annually. This can vary based on certifications, experience, and the employer. And while formal qualifications such as diplomas or degrees in IT are often preferred, industry certifications like 𝗘𝗏𝗄+ or Cisco are increasingly becoming essential to stand out in the competitive job market. Employers are on the lookout for individuals who possess not only technical know-how, but also the critical skills of problem solving, effective communication, and the ability to adapt to rapidly evolving technologies. And that is precisely what Extratech's 12-week cloud network and system support training delivers, a neatly packaged, all-encompassing education. In addition to cutting-edge hands-on training with state-of-the-art equipment, you will receive career and behavioral coaching. This includes AI-powered resume and cover letter building, optimization and review, LinkedIn profile development, job strategy and assistance, guidance on job searching process, mock interview sessions that will build both your behavioral as well as technical talent, interview preparations, business and professional email assistance, and end-to-end career support. We pride ourselves on our track record of success stories where candidates like you have undergone our training and landed rewarding jobs in the IT field. Best of all, you don't need any prior IT experience to join. Whether you're looking to break into the highly profitable IT market, enhance your existing IT skills, or pivot from one career into IT, Extratech's training is your launchpad. The most rewarding part? Every penny of the proceeds from this training directly supports the Extratech Oval International Cricket Stadium project in Nepal, a charitable cause that aims to create a lasting legacy. What's more, the course is taught by Binod Kunwar himself, the visionary behind Extratech and the ongoing development projects in Nepal. So if you're interested, simply DM us your email and contact number and we'll send you the course details. But you better hurry. April enrollments are already open and seats are filling up fast.